Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if this is your first time, you're also welcome to the family. My name is Blessing Akato, and today in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a makeup tutorial while talking about my birthday and how it went. Like guys, it's story time, so sit back, relax and enjoy. So guys, I'll start by talking about my photo shoot, like my birthday photo shoot. I uploaded a video on Get Ready With Me for my birthday photo shoot. So if you have not watched that video, please, I'll put up the link in the description box so you can actually watch it. So guys, I talking about my birthday photo shoot. I did my makeup, though I will start by explaining myself because why something really happened. I work from Monday to Saturdays, because of the strike and all. I didn't want to sit back at home and do nothing except creating content for you guys. I love doing that, but I needed to keep myself busy as well. So I started working. I work from Monday to Saturdays. I only have Sundays free. So what I did was I could not take excuse to do my photo shoot during the week, and a friend of mine that is a photographer, I talked with him and we were supposed to do my photo shoot on a Sunday. That was like a week before my birthday. So I was getting ready, though he actually told me Sundays are sites, but because he's close to me and he's a very close friend of mine, I was able to talk to him and he agreed on doing the photos and all. So I didn't get back from church that Sunday. So I had plans to film the whole, do a birthday vlog for you guys, but it didn't happen. So I could only film the makeup I did for myself for the photo shoot. So he actually gave me a specific time and I could not meet up with the time, and it was to go back to church. So I could not convince him to wait a bit and all. And we were supposed to do the photo shoot. We actually planned on doing an outdoor photo shoot, in my school. So I couldn't meet up with the time. So I felt really bad. I had to call him and I had to tell him that I can't meet up because I'm not done with my makeup. I wasn't done with my makeup, and it won't be nice if I tell him to miss church and all. So I just told him to relax. But deep down within me, I was so disappointed at myself, so disappointed at everything that happened, that I did not have a real photo shoot as I've imagined, as planned. I planned, that scenario where you planned and prepared yourself for a particular thing, and at the end of the day you got disappointed. So that was what literally happened. My photo shoot didn't take place, though I did a photo shoot makeup for you guys, but at the end of the day I could not go for my photo shoot. So it was as disappointing as that. So I had to just calm myself down. It took me some minutes or more, about 30 minutes to console myself, because when you it wasn't a nice thing to do, but I had to try and console myself. So then I remember Kelechi's video where she did a photo shoot by herself at home, and I was like, why don't I just, since I've done my makeup, why don't I just go ahead and take pictures by myself and edit? Because most photographers won't want to edit pictures taken with phones. So I had to just I would look for a way to edit it to come out nice. So I went ahead, encouraged myself, gave myself that cruise and the vibe. Guys, I had to do something, because I cannot just do makeup and at the end of the day I did not do anything. Just imagine. So I had to just gather the courage, encourage myself, motivate myself, and I set up my camera and all my phone. I actually had plans on using two outfits, and both of them were Ankara. I'll put up the picture so you see. I actually wore the first one. I think the first one was an off-shoulder gown. Yeah, an off-shoulder Ankara gown, fitted. I don't like anything big, so I like it fitted and short. So that's what I wore. That was the first outfit, and I took pictures. Like, guys, I took pictures until I was satisfied with what I was doing. So I changed to the second outfit, and that outfit was a crop top and skirt. You understand? So it was so fine. Like, I was catching the vibe, the Ankara vibe. Like, guys, I was catching the Ankara vibe. So I took my time to take the pictures. Like, I made sure that I was satisfied with everything I was doing with the pictures. Like, even if it took time to change, like, trying to zip up the gown myself, because there was nobody around. Like, there was literally no one. My friend wasn't around. It was at church, and I could not reach out to them. It was like I had to do everything myself. So I took the pictures, and I was satisfied with what I got. Then that means I had a whole week, because my birthday was just the next Sunday, like Easter Sunday, and I had a whole week, not up to a week though, but let's just say a whole week to edit those pictures to my satisfaction. So I used the app I normally do use for my pictures on Instagram. Yeah, so I used those apps, and at the end of the day, I was so proud of myself. Like, oh my god, I was so proud of myself that I did my makeup myself, I took my pictures myself, I edited my pictures myself, and it came out so well. And guys, that week, I don't know what literally happened to me. Like, I came up with something that I've never done before for my birthday, and that was taking a book and a pen to write out goals, to write out things that I want to achieve in this new age. And the feeling was just so amazing, guys. It was just so amazing and extraordinary. So on the D-Day, like, guys, my birthday, it was dope. I didn't do much because I had no plans for it. I just went to, because it was Easter Sunday, so the vibe and the cruise, like, I was catching that vibe, the cruise, guys. So it was the feeling was amazing, like, it was awesome. So I had just like, okay, let's just go with the celebration and all. So that's what I literally did, and I was so cool with it. So I was awake by 12, received calls, text messages, WhatsApp messages, like repost. I was surprised with the numbers of persons that were awake just to wish me happy birthday, and it felt so amazing, guys. Like, I felt like a big babe, not girl, like a big babe, like a big babe. So I was so full of myself that day. After I was done posting on Facebook and WhatsApp, I went ahead to pray, and afterwards I went ahead to sleep. So in the morning, when I woke up, a very close friend of mine called me, and guess what, guys? He prayed the exact same prayer I prayed at night, and I felt so blessed and grateful to God. I was just so happy that morning. And after the call, I went ahead to get dressed for church, went to church, and after church, received a lot of calls, prayers, wishes, gifts, and I was grateful. I just felt grateful on that day. And when I got back home, like, I think around 3, I went to a program that was to minister on my birthday. Just imagine, I went to minister in that church on my birthday. I had no choice. It was my very close friend of mine. It was a very close friend of mine that invited me. So I went there, and everybody was like, blessing, happy birthday. My birthday was just literally, I felt so blessed on my birthday. Like, I felt so blessed. So I think that's literally it. I didn't do much for my birthday, so that's literally it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if it's your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed. Bye.